Hi there, I'm Jonathan. Today, I'm going to quickly show you how to reset your Leitner Office Ally wireless headset.
Okay, ladies and gentlefolk, in order to reset your Leitner Premium Light headset, first thing we're going to do is remove the headset from the base, set it off to the side. Then we're going to return to the base, flip it around, and unplug the power cord here from the back. And if you have anything plugged into the USB on the left, going to your computer perhaps, or the auxiliary, which might be, for instance, a lifter or a hook switch, unplug both of those as well. Set your base back down. Grab your headset again, and we're going to flip it over to the bottom. On the bottom, you'll find the battery compartment. And on the battery compartment, in order to remove it, look for the little groove at a corner, a little bit of space right up here toward the ear cushion. You can get your fingernail in there, pull gently toward you. Pop right off. And then we'll remove the battery, a little bit of help from gravity, pulling gently out, and it should slide right out for you. Now on this battery, you're going to see an arrow on one side pointing up. When we reinsert the battery, we want to make sure that that arrow is pointed up into the headband. So we'll slide that in. Return the lid for the compartment. Push it to snap it into place. And then let's set your headset aside for a moment and plug your base back into power, like so. Go ahead and plug in your other cords if you have them. Set that down. And now we're going to take the headset, which is now in a sort of sleep mode, and we're going to press and hold the power button on the headset until we see that power button blink. Now we let go, and that removes the sleep mode from the headset. So we can begin the resync process by now pressing and holding the silver mute button with the dot until that power light on the headset blinks again. And then let go. And then on your base, find the telephone mode button, press and hold that until the light there begins to blink. And when you see the light on your headset and the light on the base both stop blinking, your headset is now resynced and reset. Turn it on. See, it registers power here. You're all good to go. Easy peasy.
That's all there is to it. Easy peasy. Now remember, if you have any other questions or you need any other help at all, always feel free to give us a call at 1-800-HEADSETS, where any one of our headset advisors would be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.